Hello, I'm Kadek Karisma Dewantara. I am a student of Ganesa University of Education, majoring English Language Educations. And today I would like to share about the step or tutorials of use live worksheet as a teaching tools. And it is also as my final assignment projects on English for tourism subject. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let me share the screen first. Okay, so the things that you should do at first is you should prepare. At first, you should prepare the materials. Here is the materials that I have made before about the hotel facilities materials. So this is the materials. And from these materials, I have made an exercise as the instructions. So here is, I have uh, prepared the exercise. So here is the exercise, right? Okay. So after you have prepared the materials and you can make the exercise based on the materials, now you just uh, make this exercise into the live worksheet. So at the first, you can cite the live worksheet site. Okay, here is the site. Okay, and then yeah, at the first actually you should sign in. If you don't have an account before, you should sign in using the worksheet. And because I have signed in before, so I have a worksheet. And then what you should do is here, make interactive worksheet, and then get started. Okay, so here you need to upload your worksheet that you have made before that I have shown to you. So please choose the file and then worksheet hotel facilities, open, okay, and upload it. Okay, just wait a moment. Okay, and here is the exercise that you have made, that I have made. So, yeah. All right. This exercise contains 15 questions that actually presents the language skills, especially on read, listening and reading skills. Okay. So what you should do next is create the text box. So it is very simple way. You just uh, drag your cursor and then yeah, you make a text box, and then yeah, please make the text box based on uh, the numbers of the questions. Okay, so and the first part I have 5 questions. So here's for each number I have one text box here. Okay, right, it's done. And after that, you can create the key answer of these questions in the text box. So for example, the number one, the answer is A. Okay, just A. The second one is C. The third one into B. Fourth one B. Sorry. That's B. And the last one is inside B. Okay. So after you have made the answer of the first step, now next to the listening exercise. So in the listening exercise, you should make listening uh, listening from the speakers. So how to make it is, yeah, it's not so so difficult. So then please make a text box and then write down what that you want to speaker says. For example, here I have the materials here. Okay, okay. So I want to the speakers speaking this sentence. So I just copy the sentence right into here. Then you just write down listen and paste the sentence. Okay, and then here you also need to make another box, another text box here. Okay, another text box. The text box here. Okay, you just choose the language that you want the speaker says. Here, just use US English, and then set as default and save. Okay, so it's will be automatically. And then in here, you just write down the answer. It's almost it seems as what speaker says. Okay, okay, it's done. Number two, you just repeat it for a number second. Just repeat. Okay. Okay, here is the answer box, and here is all right. Okay, here number three. Just copy one screen and then move to the text box. Here, the listening section. Just write down the listening. Sorry, the listening. Listen. Okay, and paste. Right. Number four. Let's copy the first one. Here is the answer. Paste. And then here is the listening. Okay. It's not really difficult to write. Okay, just make it text box. For the last answer. Okay, just make the one text box once again. Send paste. Here is this also. All right. Okay, it's already enough, I think, for 5 questions. Okay, so that's the way how to make the listening exercise using live worksheet, right? So we move to the last exercise. It's reading exercise. So the reading exercise, the instructions is please read the text about the hotel's facilities below and answer this question correctly. So here's I have provided the text and I want to my students to read the text first and then answer the questions. So I will make the text box where the students will give them answer their answer, and then it's also almost same as the first step. You just make a text box, then write down the key answers in the text box. Okay, because there are 5 questions, I will make the 5 text box, and then yeah, you just write down the answers. Like for example, the first one, the location of the hotels, because I have read this text because the location of the hotel is on Bandung. So just write down Bandung. Then name of the hotel is Intan Hotel. Intan Hotel. And then the facilities provided in the hotels. So the private and the hotels facilities is comprehensive facilities, private boardroom, a world-class private room, and impecable guest rooms. So to make you easier to make, just copy uh, the answer that you have made before. So here I already made the response of my exercise. So you just copy here to make it quick. Copy and paste. Okay, then for the first one, copy and paste. Okay, and the last one, sorry. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, so yeah, it's already enough, I think. So every or its questions already have a text box and already have okay answers. So the next step that you should do is you can preview your exercise that you have been made. So you can okay. So it is the previews of your students when the students see your exercise. So students can answer the questions here, and then on the listening sections here is the
Good morning.
audio. Okay,
Karisma Hotel, may I
that
help you?
your students can hear.
Good morning.
Okay,
Karisma
okay.
Hotel, may I
Make
help
sure
you?
that every of its questions have their listening sections. Okay, now seconds.
I'm
Okay,
going to have a vacation there with my
good.
kids. Do you have any spots for them to
4,
play? Yes,
5.
we do, sir.
Okay.
We have a
Okay,
pool,
so
playground, and a
its question
child
already
care
have
service.
their listening section,
Yes,
so it's
Mr. Aris,
already good.
we do have a
And
restaurant
then
that
for the
is
next
open
on the
24
reading
hours, and we also have a
exercise.
gym free for our guests. It will be available from 6:00 am, 9:00 p.m. daily. Is there anything else you want to know, sir? Thank you, sir. We are looking forward to welcoming you at our hotel. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. We are looking forward to welcoming you at our hotel.
Okay, I think
Thank you,
on the
sir. We
last
are looking
reading
forward to
exercise also it's
welcoming you at
already
our
enough.
hotel.
So the students just write down the answers on the textbook that I have provided. Okay, and after that they can finish their work. Okay, I think it's good enough. After that, you can save your worksheet. If you think that this worksheet already good enough for your students, just save your worksheet. Uh, and then there is options. If you want to share your worksheet with another teacher, you can choose this box. And if no, you can choose this box. Okay, I choose no. And then enter the title for your worksheet. Okay, for examples, I will make a exercise, hotel, sorry, facilities. Okay, and save. Okay, and here is the link. You can copy the link of your worksheet. Okay, it's 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 easy, right? Not truly difficult. And then the last thing that you should do is integrate it with Google Classroom. And then you just uh, search your worksheet that you have made in my worksheet. Okay, okay, already I already made this worksheet before. So there are two worksheets here. And then, okay, here is the worksheet that you have made before. Okay, you can check it once again. Okay, after that, if you think that's already correct and it's ready to share to your students, you can just click add to Google Classrooms. Add to Google Classrooms. Okay, you can choose your class. For example, 7F English for Tourism. Okay, and choose assignment and open. Okay, so your link of your worksheet is automatically will insert on this Google Classroom. So you just make your title, for example, exercise, hotel, facilities, and then the optionals, the instructions, you can just write, please make this exercise, uh, exercise by the link below. Okay, okay, the instruction is clear, I think, and then you can set for your students your point, your deadline. Maybe I will set for 31 of December, and for the times, okay, I think it's good. And then for the topic, you can choose hotel facilities, okay, because I have already make it before hotel facilities topic, so I will choose hotel facilities. And then after everything is good, you can click assignment. Okay, this right moment. Okay, so it's done. So your live worksheet already sent to your Google Classroom. So you can see here. Okay, so in here's okay. So exercise hotel facilities. Okay. Okay, so here is the exercise that you have made before, and this exercise already uh already to make by your students. So I think that's all that I can share to you about the way or the tutorials of using live worksheet and integrate with your Google Classrooms. Hopefully you can get something beneficial from my video. And okay, and I think that's all. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Thank you.